Hey y'all, nice to see you. It's Nia and welcome back to my channel. Let's get straight into it. Today we are going to make smoothie packs. I love this because it helps to keep me on track with my 2024 and general life health goals. I am able to get my fruits and my veggies in, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to meal prep smoothies so you can always have them ready and on hand. So the first things first, I'm going to gather all my ingredients. We're going to be making a berry smoothie, a kiwi smoothie, peanut butter, banana smoothie. It's going to be so good. First, get all your fruits, your veggies, get reusable Ziploc bags, some mason jars, a knife, and a cutting board. The first smoothie I'm going to start off with is actually inspired by a Smoothie King smoothie. It's called the Carrot Kale Dream. If you've never had it, I highly suggest it, or you can make this one at home for a lot cheaper. I'm going to start off with my mixed fruit blend, which includes strawberry, pineapple, mango, and papaya. And then to that, I'm going to add some bananas and some spinach. When it comes to the juices that I like to add to this smoothie, I like to do low calorie orange juice, pineapple juice, carrot juice, or grape juice. Any blend of those, or honestly all four, it can really bring the smoothie to another level and make it really sweet and a really good snack to have whenever you are just craving something but you don't want to eat a whole meal. Next on the menu is my kiwi avocado smoothie. This may sound strange because when I first heard avocados and smoothies, I was like, gag. But I promise you, it's so good. Avocados make the smoothie so creamy and add a really nice texture to it. First, start off by peeling your avocados and your kiwi. Now, what would have made my life so much easier is having pre-peeled kiwi, because that is not fun. I don't know if you see me here kind of struggling a bit, and then it was like slimy just because the kiwi juices, but neither here nor there, right? If you want the green, if you want the body, if you want the health, you gotta work for it, okay? So go ahead and dice that into small pieces. And then peel and cut up your avocado and try and get that clean avocado reveal. Y'all know whenever you cut it in half and then open it and you can see the pit and the green, that's just so satisfying to me. And you're about to see it in a little bit. But after you do that, try your best to do this as not messy as possible. I swear to you, I was really trying to make this aesthetic and nice, but that avocado and I did not agree. Again, if I would have done pre-cut avocados, oh, that would have been perfect. But you know what? It was okay because I also had fun and nobody's getting it but me, so it's fine. And my hands are clean. It's okay. And for the banana, I like to have my bananas be just a little ripe, which is why you see it blackening in some areas. This makes the banana sweeter, so whenever you freeze it and then get ready to thaw it and put it in your smoothies, you get a little extra sweetness without having to add any sugar or honey or any extra additive. After the banana, I like to add some spinach and then close it up. Do try and squeeze as much air as you can out of this, and then you can just reposition it so it can be as flat as possible when you lay it in your freezer. Now this next smoothie is also a Smoothie King inspired creation. This one's inspired by the Immune Builder Mixed Berry, which has to be one of my favorite Smoothie King smoothies. I'm going to start off with a berry blend. This has strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Then I'm going to add my semi-ripened bananas. And that's it. Go ahead and squeeze the knife out of that Ziploc bag before I seal it and get ready to pop it in the freezer. I'm going to name this next smoothie the Tropical Avocado. I'm going to start off with that same mixed fruit blend of strawberry, pineapple, mango, and papaya. Then I'm going to go in with my avocado, go ahead and use your knife skills, put them to work so you can get that clean slice and peel. And this time I actually took the avocado skin off in a very clean way. Still proud of myself. Dice that up, and then you're gonna add your banana. Semi-sweet, of course, because it has a little bit of bruising. Go ahead and squeeze the life out of this one too, and zip it up so you can get ready to pop it in the freezer. This next smoothie is Smoothie King inspired. It's actually a seasonal smoothie. So I don't know if you can find it on their menu right now, but during the holiday season you can, and you definitely should. It's called a snickerdoodle smoothie. It has banana, almond butter, and dates, along with some vanilla extract, almond milk. And when I tell you, this smoothie is so good. Like, I don't even know if it tastes like a snickerdoodle per se. I guess a little bit. It's more so just like nut buttery, and then the banana adds some creaminess, and it also has cinnamon in it, so you get those flavors of like a cookie but in a smoothie. So start off by cutting up your bananas and peel your dates, or de-pit your dates. And I wore gloves here on this one because the dates are really sticky, and I bought them from Sam's Club. So of course, Sam's Club, you get like a gargantuan amount, and I don't even need that many dates, so neither here nor there. But I did pop these in the freezer just because I didn't want them to go bad, and it made them very sticky. And if you've ever blended up dates, it can be a little hard to blend. You won't get such a smooth texture, but if you do that, try and soak them first. You know, put in a little bit of almond milk before you pop it in your blender, and that should give you a much smoother consistency. Now to this, add about a tablespoon or two of almond butter, and then seal this one up with a lid. And I did put it in a mason jar because I am going to be using it this week. The next smoothie is pretty simple. It's a pineapple spinach smoothie, and I started off with just a regular can of diced pineapples, and I split that between 2 mason jars as evenly as possible, and I distributed the juice amongst the 2, and then I filled the rest of the mason jar up with spinach. And I know it may look like a lot of spinach, but when you blend it down, add some pineapple juice or some orange juice, you won't even be able to taste it, but you got all your greens in for the day. And that's all she wrote, y'all. With these recipes, I was able to make between 8 and 10 servings of smoothies, so that'll last me about 2 weeks. And the ones in the Ziploc bags, I did put those in the freezer, and with the mason jars, I put most of them in the refrigerator, maybe 1 or 2 in the freezer. Now let me show y'all how to make the snickerdoodle smoothie. I wanted to treat myself, and when I tell you this one's one of my newfound favorites, believe me, it is. I'm gonna start off with about a cup of almond milk, add in just a little teaspoon of vanilla extract and a couple of dashes of cinnamon. Blend together. I like to start on low, then go up to high, and then go back down to low. I feel like this gives me the smoothest results. Do this for about 60 seconds, and I poured it into that same mason jar so it had some of the nut butter around it, and it honestly just made it look like the perfect decoration. And when I tell you this is so smooth, so creamy, just look at the way it pours. And then I like to dash on some cinnamon just to top it off for the aesthetic. Put that straw in and enjoy my snack.
Cheers! If you made it to the end of this video, you might as well go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment, because girl, I have so much respect for people who make these type of videos. This was not easy and very messy, but I hope y'all enjoyed this content and got some inspiration from all the different smoothie ideas that you can create. Smoothies are a great addition to your diet. Not only are they affordable, it's a great way to get all your veggies and your nutrients, because girl, who wants to sit up there and eat like a bowl of spinach? But we can buzz down on a kiwi spinach smoothie, okay? Because those actually taste pretty good. Leave any comments down below for ideas that you want to try, or what was your favorite smoothie? I'm going to drink this snickerdoodle smoothie because it's honestly more of a dessert than an actual meal, but that's the beauty of smoothies. You can use them for meals, you can use them for dessert, you can use it for snack. Girl, you can use it just to wake up and feel better about yourself, okay? I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Cheers! Cheers!